Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you're enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for Grade 1. We are learning Unit 6. Its title is Never Lie. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, today under the title of Language Focus, we are going to learn about digraphs. Before this, in your English primer, you have learnt about digraphs. I hope you remember. Do you remember the concept? If not, you may watch these video lectures again because we are going to learn further about the same concept, that is to recognize and identify digraphs. This is our today's SNO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran Surah Al-An'am verse 77, then when he saw the moon rising up, he said, "This is my Lord." But when it set, he said, "If my Lord does not guide me, I should indeed have been of the people who are in misguidance." Yes, my dear children, what this beautiful verse is telling us. Beta, this beautiful verse is about Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam. And you know, he was finding Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Here Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is, he was like watching at different things and maybe this is my Lord, this is my Lord. I suggest ask your mother or your Qari Sahib to tell you the story of Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam. It's a beautiful story which gives us many lessons. Now, my dear children, look at this. Then, the, this, should. I hope you have noticed that these letters, pair of letters, have different sounds. So, such type of pair of letters are known as digraphs. Do you remember? A digraph, a pair of two letters representing a single speech sound. Di means two. Digraphs means two letters giving us one sound. Digraph, two letters, one sound. For example, ch, the, sh, right? So now, my dear students, you have to tell at least one word with any of the sounds. Select a digraph of your choice and say a word to your teacher. Pause the video, enjoy the activity, and then quickly come back. Yes, my dear students, you have pronounced different words. Have you noticed these sounds? Okay, let's learn further about it. As I told you, how these sounds are. This is C. What is the sound of letter C? K. And what is the sound of letter H? It's. But when they are joined together, they make a new sound, that's ch sound. What's the sound? Ch. As in cheer. Cheer. Okay. TH, when they are joined together, they have two type of sound. One is called hard sound and the other is called soft sound. The soft sound sounds like th, as in think, thank you, right? And the hard sound sounds like the, as in that, they, their, right? SH gives sound sh sound as in shampoo. PH gives f sound as in elephant. Okay, so whenever you look at your reading and you find a word, a combination of these two letters, you will pronounce their digraph sounds. Okay, cheer, that, think, shampoo, elephant. Okay, let's practice more further. Ch, cheer, ch, ketchup, right? Ch, march, ch, bunch. You see? Bunch of balloons, bunch of flowers, bunch. Ch, torch. Ch, sandwich. thermos, father, the father, cloth, shell, fish, push, fawn, trophy, dolphin. And now let's practice this concept from your book. All of you open your book on page number 50. Now you have to read these words by pronouncing the correct pronunciation of these digraphs. Chips, chain, thermos, 13, graph, phonics, right? So these are teachers, you may practice with students. You can give them more flashcards, more words for the practice of all these digraphs. And when you find they are done with it, kindly come back. Pause the video, revise the concept and come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Are you confident? Good job. So let's practice it through an activity. Give each child in the class a digraph word. Okay, now teacher will give digraph word to every child. When you give a start signal, all students will pair up with a partner and then call out digraphs and its letter in the word. Okay, so there will be different words. They should pronounce both. Check the pairs words to ensure the word contain their digraphs, and if so, send the pair in front of the room and cheer for the digraphs. Give the start signal again so children can remix themselves into new partnership and call out different words. So teacher give them a vocabulary of words containing digraphs and make them practice through this activity. Pause the video, enjoy the activity and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good. My students are smart. Now let's practice it from your book. What you'll have to do, look at the picture, say the word and find out the missing digraph. Write it over here. Okay, right here you will write the digraph. Okay, for example, this is thumb. So what digraph is missing? That is T. Age. Now this word is complete. Likewise, we'll keep looking at the pictures and complete all the words. Pause the video, complete this task in your book and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. So it's time for your homework. You will write 10 words in your notebooks and encircle digraphs in them. And here is a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. And my dear children, what you will do, you will look at the picture and complete it by selecting the correct digraph from this. So what we have learned today, we learned to recognize and identify digraphs in words. So in this way, we achieved our SLO to recognize and identify digraphs, the ch. Are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning and take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.